Hi, what's going on? Welcome to Driver Installer, and in this video, I will show you how to use your iPhone as a webcam on your PC. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can do this in an easy and very simple way, so make sure you watch this video until the end, and if you want to know more tricks about iOS, make sure to subscribe to this channel. The first thing you are going to do is go to the App Store. You are going to look for an application called Webcam. Type it just as you are seeing it on the screen. Then you will download this app. Now it's time to move on to the PC. On your PC, you are going to go to Google and then type Webcam in the same way that you see it on the screen. Now click on the first result. If for whatever reason you couldn't find this website, I'll leave you a direct link in the description of this video. On this website, you will see multiple options to download this program. To find out which option is right for you, you are going to do the following. Open the Start menu and type Dexdiag. When this window opens, go to Operating System, and here you will see what version of Windows you have installed. In my case, it is Windows 10 Pro 64 bits. Now go back to the website, and if you have Windows 7 or Windows 8, you're going to choose one of these options. If it's 64 bits, choose x64, and if it's 32 bits, choose x86. If, on the other hand, you have Windows 10 or Windows 11, you are going to choose one of these options. In my case, as it is Windows 10 64-bit, I will choose x64. Once the download is finished, you will open the installation. Here, choose the language, and now you just have to follow the instructions to install this program correctly. If you want the app to work as a microphone, leave this option checked. If, on the other hand, you are not interested, then uncheck it and continue with the installation. Once you have opened this program on your computer, go to your iPhone and open the application you downloaded. They should already be connected. If not, make sure that your PC and your iPhone are connected to the same network and try again. In the app you will see several buttons. Now I will explain which are the most important. With this button you can change the camera and thus use the front camera. This is a very useful option for any type of video call. With these two buttons you can take a photo or start a recording. With this other button you can adjust different parameters of the image, such as, for example, the exposure, the zoom, among other details. And finally, this button will add an enhancement filter to the image. Now you know how you can use your iPhone as a webcam on your PC. If you want to continue learning, watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe.